design process is one which enables bringing ideas to life. And people have been bringing ideas. First, they externalize the idea. So you have a beautiful jewelry design idea, you put it on paper. Why you put it on paper? Because you are going to park your idea. After you park your idea, you want to reflect and you want to change something, right? And so there is a dialogue between you and the paper with a sketch. And then you show it to other friends. They also suggest something. Why they are able to suggest something? Because you have externalized the idea. Idea is externalized, it is on a piece of paper and you are able to reflect on it. Correct, no? And design is a highly iterative process. That means you keep on adding and subtracting, things from it. Your jewelry design also is like that. You can design one thing and you think that okay, it's okay, but I can add something more. No, it is looking more cluttered. I want to remove something. So all such things keep on happening. What you see here is how industrial design is done. How iron box is getting developed, and you can see a lot of models of handles seen, a lot of varieties are seen and all that. And so we all do it with a framework called as New Product Design Framework, NPD. Okay, and of course the idea is screened, then you go into detailing of it. Detailing means nut and bolts of it. So if you compare it to jewelry, supposing you have a beautiful tennis bracelet you have done, you want to do a concealed catch. A concealed catch, how to do it? So how we are going to have the jib, and where you are going to place the cutout, how it is going to get locked, and what is the effort required. All these things you think of, right? In gold, it is especially people want to show more gold, but they don't want to pay for it. That means what you do, you keep on scooping. Lightweight, right? Lightweighting has become very important thing. So all these things come in design, and then you test it. Actually, you make a thing and see how it goes around your head. Whether there is a nice fall. You put a necklace on your neck, a choker. Choker should not choke you. Choker should be comfortable, right? Not only making the person who wears, happy, but also the onlookers happy. And so it has to be ergonomically designed. That means it should not hurt you in any way. So all these things are being done. We call design and testing. Okay. Many times this is done by using what is known as a first model. A first model means proto. Proto means first. Okay, like protozoa, porifera, all that. No, proto is a first model, and you make it, and then first models sometimes are not so nicely done. You refine them. Then you finally launch them. That's what we do. And ideas why they need testing, because बैठ के हम कुछ भी ये कर सकते हैं, सोच सकते हैं, but we want to do it, somebody has to finance it. So people cannot finance anything. For example, you can sit and think of a car made up of gold, right? I did not find that photograph, but there was a sheikh, from UAE who ordered a nano to be made in gold. Okay, at Tanishq title, and he said, okay, whatever maybe the money. So people didn't know. They said, okay, don't wait, don't worry, we'll get back to you. They went to the drawing board. They found how much is the gold required, who will do it, correct, no? And what all things have to be put, how to put it on the car. The car has to be a functional car, So you can see the cost committed and cost incurred curves are opposite in nature. So this forms a business case why ideas have to be tested again and again before you can actually fulfill customers' requirement. And many times in the design phases, we need prototypes to be tested. There are things like paper prototypes. There may be you have a plasticine or wax model. You quickly make it in hand and check it out. Okay, or sometimes you do only GB and you check the GB portion of it. Jumping होता है क्या? You know, those things you check. And detailing. For example, you want to go for a clause setting. How many clause? What should be the kacha? How I am going to have? How the light will come out? Whether there is a gallery below? All those things, detailing you do. That also you check. Testing and refinement is another area. So you can see 3 stars under testing and refinement. That is because mostly in industrial design and other products, people when they bring it to the market, people will copy, others will copy it. You know, copyright is right to copy, correct? No. So how to prevent them? Like you can prevent successfully by actually innovating more often. That means you test and refine things. You have different versions of the same thing. So somebody copies you, you release your second version, third version, fourth version. वो लोग कॉपी करने में busy रहेगा. You are going to be busy with your innovation.